It's Friday, the 12th of January, and you are listening to Workers Connect Radio, where we bring you latest updates from the world of work. We will begin with the headlines. Telangana High Court wraps state for non-compliance in the matter of revision of minimum wages of scheduled employments. Anganwadi workers protest in Bihar bears fruit. Government increases honorarium to Rs 7,000 per month. Karnataka High Court pulls up state government over inaction in checking manual scavenging in the state. Jamaican lab technologists return to work after 2-day strike against poor working conditions. And in Germany, rail workers strike for better working conditions to continue as court rules in favour of striking workers. Now news in detail. The Telangana High Court has issued a contempt notice to the Chief Secretary, Special Chief Secretary, Commissioner of Labour and Secretary Printing Press for not revising and publishing the minimum wages in respect of scheduled employments under the Minimum Wages Act. The current contempt proceedings against the state are an outcome of willful non-compliance of October 2023 order in a PIL brought by Telangana Regional Trade Union Council, challenging the inaction of government in not revising the minimum rates of wages for 73 scheduled employments and for non-publishing of government orders for 5 scheduled employments for which the government decided wages in the year 2021. In the matter, High Court had ordered the state to take necessary actions to revise the minimum wages as prescribed under the Minimum Wages Act and to publish the same in a gazette within 6 weeks. The militant protest of Anganwadi workers in Bihar has finally yielded results. The Bihar cabinet has approved a hike in monthly stipend of Anganwadi workers and helpers. The move is said to benefit over 230,000 Anganwadi workers and helpers employed by the state, who currently earn Rs 5,950 and 2,975 respectively. From now on, Anganwadi workers will get Rs 7,000 while helpers will get Rs 4,000 monthly. Last year, Anganwadi workers were on strike for over 2 months, demanding immediate revision of their wages and recognition as government employees. Highlighting zero conviction in the case of death of manual scavengers in the state, a division bench comprising Chief Justice Prasanna B. Varale and Justice Krishna S. Dikshit pulled up the state for its inaction. It also questioned the public prosecutor as to why the provisions of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act were not being regularly invoked in these cases. The court has sought detailed affidavit regarding compliance, especially in relation to procurement of necessary equipment to end the practice of manual scavenging by municipal corporations, and issued notices to Karnataka State Commission for Safai Karmcharis and Karnataka State Safai Karmchari Development Corporation in the matter. Moving on to international news, the first one's from Jamaica, where lab technologists and technical assistants have returned to work at National Public Health Laboratory and National Blood Transfusion Services after 2-day strike against poor working conditions. Workers returned to work under the aegis of Union of Technical, Administrative and Supervisory Personnel after the intervention of Ministry of Labour, which has initiated conciliation proceedings, the first meeting of which is scheduled on 24th of this month. And in Germany, rail workers' strike is set to continue after the Labour Court in the state of Hesse ruled against issuing an injunction upholding a lower court's decision allowing workers of Deutsche Bahn to continue their industrial action. Workers have been demanding a reduction in their work time from existing 38 hours per week to 35 hours without any pay cuts, which has led to a long-standing dispute between management and workers. Last year, workers had gone on 2 one-day warning strikes under the banner of GDL Union. The current strike started on Tuesday and is set to continue till Friday night. That's all in this bulletin. We'll be back on Friday with the latest updates from the world of work.